Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 174. Dear Sirs, in reply to yours of the 11th instant, we regret to state that under the circumstances, we cannot accept the mere apology on the part of your client. This conduct of your client has been a source of annoyance for a considerable time, and in spite of our requests that such conduct should cease, and notwithstanding the fact that legal proceedings have been threatened, the statements of which we complain have continued. From first to last, we have been face to face with inconvenience in consequence of your client's attitude. Under these circumstances, and having regard to what has happened, an apology is out of the question. On the contrary, we shall be compelled to seek redress in the law courts in respect of your client's statements, and shall instruct our solicitors to take action forthwith unless your client is prepared to pay the amount of damages claimed. Yours truly, full stop.